Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi. In this lecture, I'll be sharing you top 100 important questions for the HTML markup language. Okay, a lot of people will tell you this is a programming language. So no, it's a markup language. Okay, and this in this lecture, we'll be covering top 200 important questions of the HTML. Okay, so yeah, make sure to watch till the end, and yeah, without wasting time, let's just start. Okay. So basically, question number first is your homework. Okay, you got shocked that haven't yet solved any questions, and then before this, I'm giving you the homework. So this is the your homework. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you the answer, and you don't have to see the answer of these questions. Okay. So without wasting our time, let's get start from the question number two. So that's your SW. Okay, you have to understand, you have to tell me the answer of this question. Okay, let's start from the question number one. Who invented HTML? So HTML was invented by the Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, which tag is used to create a hyperlink? So basically, to creating hyperlink, use a tag. Okay, this tag is used to insert an image. That's called the img tag. Okay, which attribute specifies image source? That's the src. Which tag creates largest heading? Largest heading h1. Okay, h1 is the largest and S6 is the smallest. Okay, which tag is used for paragraph? That's called p tag. Okay, which tag insert a line break? That's called line break. Okay, br tag. Okay, which create horizontal line? That's a char tag. Okay, HTML is a what? Markup language. Okay, markup language. Option B is correct. Which tag creates an ordered list? So order list, UOL. Unordered? No, sorry, ordered. It's asking for unordered. So option B is unordered list. For the order list, OL tag is used. Okay. Which tag defines list items? List items that actually create li tag. Okay. Which tag creates a table? That's actually a table tag. Okay. Which tag defines table row? Table row, tr tag. Which tag defines table data? Td tag. Okay. Which tag defines data table heading? Th. Okay. Which tag creates a form? That's a form tag. Okay. Which input type hides entered text? Hide. Okay. Password tag. Input type. Okay. This is not a tag. If it is asking which tag, then you have to go with the hidden. Hidden is also a tag. Okay. But it is input type, so you have to fill the answer according to the question. Okay. Which attribute provide alternative image text? That's the alt tag. Okay. It's not a tag actually, it's a attribute. Attributes are used inside a tag. Okay. Which tag creates checkboxes? This is the tag. Okay. But the HTML version introduced semantics. So semantic tags are introduced in HTML5. A semantic tag defines navigation. Nav tag is defined, that actually define navigation. Okay, which tag defines footer section? That's called what? That's called footer. Which tag defines main content? That's called the main. Okay, option A is correct here. Which tag defines header section? That's called what? That's called the header tag. Okay. Which HTML tag is used for audio? For audio is audio tag. For video is what? Video tag, right? Which syntax is used for the comment? It's asking for syntax. Okay. This is the syntax, correct syntax to use a command. Okay. Which tag contains metadata? So basically metadata contain head. Okay. Metadata actually contain which tag? Inside head we metadata contain actually. Okay. Take it place inside a inside head tag. Okay. Which tag defines web page title? So basically we have a title. Sorry. We have a title. Which attribute opens link in new tab? Target blank tag. Okay, which tag creates bold text? So basically bold text you can use either strong or b tag. Okay, which tag creates italic? That's called I or emphasize tag. Which tag underlines text? That's called the u tag. Okay, u tag is used to underline text. Which tag creates sub super? Super is for sup. Okay, sup. Okay, sub for what? Sub. Okay, just sub. Sub means option A. The tag creates drop down list. So drop down list we have what? We have select tag. Okay. The tag defines drop down options. This is of drop down list, drop down option. This is the option tag. Okay. Which attribute make field mandatory? Require tag. That this work is mandatory, you have to complete this work within this time, so this is a required tag. Okay, which tag create multi-line input? So basically multi-line input, we have what? We have text area, tag. Okay, which tag group related form element? So that is what? That is a field set tag. Okay, next question we have, which tag provide caption for field set? That is what? Legend tag. Okay, question number 44 we have, whose attribute specifies unique identifier? That's called what? ID tag. Okay, ID should always be unique. Class can be similar, like class a lot of student can be from the same class, but their ID, that is ID from what? ID is their roll number, so roll number are gonna be always similar, always unique. Okay, so that's why. And ID is not any tag, it is attribute. Attribute is what? That actually uh, take its place inside a tag. So class is also attribute, ID is also attribute, name is also attribute, value is also attribute. Okay, so which attribute is specifies the CSS classes? So we have class tag. Okay, we have, this is class is also attribute, right? So I have explained you that class is also attribute as IDs. Okay, so which attribute applies inline? So what? Style is also an attribute. Okay, so which tag connects external CSS? So basically we have a link tag. Okay, which tag defines internal CSS? So basically we have style tag. Okay, which tag adds JavaScript? That is basically we have a script tag. Which attribute specifies destination URL? We have a href tag. Okay, which tag embeds another web page? We have iframe tag. Okay, which tag creates button tag? We have. Okay, question number 53 we have, which input type accept email? So basically input type is, we have a, that's the B option is correct. Okay, email is for email, not mail. Okay, which input type selects date? That's basically we have a date. Okay, so option C is correct over here. Okay, go with the option C. Which input type accept only numbers? We have option, we have number tag. Which tag defines emphasize text? So we have em tag. Em tag and I tag are gonna be not similar. They share some similar properties, but also they're different. Okay, their working is different, even though they look like similar. Okay, which tag defines important text? That is actually a strong tag. Okay, which tag I highlight text? That's called the what? Mark tag. Okay, which tag displays code? So basically we have a code tag. Okay, so basically to display code, basically we use code tag. Okay, which tag preserves spaces? We have pre tag. Okay, which tag creates division? Div tag. Okay, which tag is inline container? So basically we have span tag. Which element supports responsive images? Basically responsive images you can go either with the picture tag or source tag. Okay, img is also you can use, but here since it is asking responsive images, so you can go with the picture or source. Okay, which attribute create tooltip? So tooltip, for the tooltip we have title tag, which tag defines section. So we have a section tag called. Okay, which tag defines independent content? So we have a article tag. Which tag defines sidebar content? That we have a side tag. Okay, which tag defines the navigation link? So we have a tag called nav. Okay, which tag defines table caption? That we have actually caption tag. Okay, we have a caption tag for this. Okay, which attribute merges columns? Call span. Which merge rows? That's called the row span. Which tag defines metadata? So that is what? That is meta tag. Okay, or if it is asking that metadata is defined from inside which tag, then you can go with the head tag. Okay, okay, which meta tag supports responsive design? That's called the viewport. Okay, which attribute specifies encoding? That's the char set. Okay, which doc type is used in HTML5? So we have a doc type, option B, I mean doc type HTML. Okay, which tag creates vector graphics? So basically we have SVG, like B option is correct over here. Okay, SVG is what? Create vector graphics. Okay, which which tag draws graphics with JavaScript? That actually canvas tag. Okay, canvas. Which tag defines keyboard input? So KBD, we have option B is correct over here. Which tag defines deleted text? That actually del tag shows. Okay, which tag defines inserted text? So that is actually what ins tag. Basically we have an insert tag also, but this is not inserted text. Since it is talking about the inserted text that actually defines, so ins should be the correct answer. Which tag defines abbreviation? So we have AWVR, abbreviation, AWVR. This tag is abbreviation. Okay, which tag defines contact info? Address tag. Okay, which attribute defines web page language? That's called the lang tag. Okay, which tag create progress bar? That's called progress tag. Okay, which tag defines a scalar measurement? Meta tag. Which input type uploads files? File tag. Which input type creates slider? Range tag. Which input type accept telephone numbers? That's called the TEL tag. Okay, which input type accept URL? That we have a URL tag called. Okay, which attribute disable input field? We have a disable tag. Okay, which attribute make a field read only? So we have a read only. Read only is what attribute? It is not a tag. Okay, it is attribute. Attribute are used inside a tag. Okay, so we have a lot of attributes. You go through a lot of attributes like source attribute and alt attribute and class attribute, id attribute. So we have been done with a lot of attribute also. Okay, so which attribute provide placeholder text? So placeholder text, we have a placeholder attribute. So this is also not a, this is also not a what tag, it's attribute. Okay, it's an attribute also. Which tag defines a label for input? So we have a label tag. Okay, option 94 we have, question number 94 we have, which attribute specifies form submission method? So form submission method, we have option called the method tag. Which attribute specifies where form data is sent? That's called what action tag. Okay, which element contains visible web page content? That's called the body tag. Okay, this is the C answer correct. Okay, C answer is correct. Option C is correct. That's called the body tag. Okay, which tag creates bookmark in HTML? That's called the A tag. Okay, no, actually that's the wrong answer. A is for the anchor tag. That actually create hyperlink. So we have option A. Option A is correct. Okay, bookmark tag. Which tag created scrolling text in old HTML? That's called marquee tag. Okay, which tag is deprecated in HTML5? So that's called the center tag. Okay, which tag defines root of HTML document? That's called the HTML. Okay,